In the annals of religious history, few stories have captured the imagination quite like Jesus walking on water. This miraculous event, described in the Gospels of Matthew, Mark, and John, has intrigued believers and skeptics alike for centuries. Today, we delve into this extraordinary tale, exploring its significance and the questions it raises about the laws of physics. The story unfolds on the Sea of Galilee, where Jesus' disciples find themselves in a boat battling fierce winds and tumultuous waves. In the early hours of the morning, they spot a figure approaching them across the water. Terrified, they believe it to be a ghost, but the figure calls out, "Take courage, it is I. Don't be afraid." It is Jesus, defying gravity and walking on the surface of the sea. Peter, one of the disciples, asks to join him. Jesus invites him, and Peter steps out of the boat. For a moment, he too walks on water, but doubt creeps in and Peter begins to sink. Jesus reaches out, catches him, and they both return to the boat. This account challenges our understanding of physics. Water's surface tension, while strong enough to support small insects, cannot bear the weight of a human. The human body is denser than water, which is why we sink unless we swim or float. For Jesus to walk on water, he would need to overcome both gravity and buoyancy. Some have attempted to explain this event through natural phenomena. Theories range from Jesus walking on a sandbar to the disciples experiencing a shared hallucination. Others suggest Jesus may have been walking on a thin layer of ice. However, these explanations often fall short when scrutinized against the biblical narrative and the regional climate. For believers, this miracle serves as a powerful demonstration of Jesus' divinity and his control over nature. It reinforces faith and illustrates the concept that with God, all things are possible. The episode also carries symbolic meaning, representing Jesus' ability to overcome the chaos and turmoil of life, symbolized by the stormy sea. Critics argue that such a feat is simply impossible, citing it as evidence against the historical accuracy of the Gospels. This tension between faith and science continues to fuel debates in theological and scientific circles. Regardless of one's beliefs, the story of Jesus walking on water remains a compelling narrative that has shaped art, literature, and cultural discourse for 2 millennia. It challenges us to consider the limits of our understanding and the possibility of events beyond our current scientific explanation. As we conclude our exploration of this remarkable tale, we're left with a profound question. In a world of scientific marvels and technological wonders, is there still room for miracles that defy the laws of physics?